In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google the homepage in Microsoft Edge. By the end, every time you open Edge, you'll be taken straight to Google, making searches and browsing faster and more consistent. First, start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. Give it a moment to load fully so the menus and settings are available. Next, look to the top right corner of Edge and click the three dots to open the main menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the control center for how Edge looks and behaves. If you accidentally open a different panel, no worries. Just return to Settings to continue. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, select the section called Start, Home, and New Tabs. This is where Edge decides what appears when you first launch the browser, press Home, or open a new tab. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your version of Edge, but you're in the right place if you see Startup and Homepage options grouped together. Now, find the area labeled When Edge Starts, sometimes shown as On Startup. You'll see choices that control what opens when you launch the browser. Select the option called Open Tabs from the previous session. This tells Edge to restore what you were working on the last time you used it. In many versions, this same section also allows you to define specific pages to open at startup. If you notice that adding a page is only available when choosing a different option, like Open these pages, don't worry. You can switch to that option to add Google, then switch back if needed. The key is that we're going to add Google as one of the pages Edge knows to load. Click Add a new page. A small box will appear asking for a web address. Type https www.google.com. Carefully, making sure there are no spaces or extra characters, and then click Add. You've now told Edge to include Google as a startup page. To confirm everything works, close Edge completely and then relaunch it. When it opens, you should see Google load automatically. If you still see a different page, return to the same settings area and double-check that Google is listed correctly and that the startup option you chose allows pages to open. Also note that the section labels may appear as When Edge Starts or On Startup, depending on your version. That's it. You've set Google as your homepage in Microsoft Edge so you can get straight to searching the moment you open your browser.